They are the heavyweights of the animal kingdom. The water buffalo.
Their hide is thicker, stronger, and more distinct than regular cowhide.
Today, we are inside a modern mega tannery to see how these giant skins are transformed.
From a raw, salted hide to a piece of luxury luggage that will last a lifetime.
If you love seeing how premium products are made, hit that subscribe button right now. It all starts here, the rawhide warehouse. Thousands of skins arrive daily. These hides are preserved with heavy salt to prevent decomposition during transport.
A single green buffalo hide can weigh over 100 pounds. It is heavy, wet, and messy. Before processing, we sort them. We look for deep scratches or insect bites. Buffalo leather is prized for its distinct pebbled grain pattern.
The hides move to the beam house. Here, we rehydrate them.
They soak in water and surfactants to wash away the salt and dirt.
Next comes liming. We add lime and sulfides to remove the hair.
The chemicals dissolve the hair roots. The hide emerges clean and swollen. Spiral blades scrape away excess fat and tissue from the underside. Nothing is wasted. The fat is collected and sent to be turned into tallow or fuel.
Now, the most chemical transformation occurs. Tanning. We use chromium salts. This turns perishable skin into durable leather.
The chrome bonds with the collagen fibers, ensuring the leather won't rot.
When they come out, they are called wet blue. In this state, the leather is stable. It can be stored for months without spoiling.
But they are soaking wet. The sammying machine squeezes out excess water like a wringer.
Removing the water prepares the leather for the next critical step, splitting.
Buffalo skin is too thick for a bag. It must be split. A band knife splits the hide into two layers. The top is the grain, the bottom is the split. The top grain is the premium leather we use for luxury bags. The split is used for suede or gloves.
To get a perfectly even thickness, we use a shaving machine. For luggage, we need exactly 1.8 millimeters. Not more, not less.
Now the leather goes back into drums for retanning. We add vegetable extracts like mimosa or chestnut to give the leather its body and smell.
This is also where the color happens. Aniline dyes penetrate the fiber completely.
We also add fat liquors, natural oils that lubricate the fibers so the leather remains soft. After 8 hours, the blue is gone. We have rich, supple brown leather.
The leather is smoothed out to remove wrinkles and excess water.
Then it is hang-dried. This allows the fibers to settle naturally.
For a smoother finish, we use a vacuum dryer. It sucks out moisture while pressing the grain flat. To prevent shrinking, the hides are toggled, stretched on frames, and baked.
The leather is now stiff, We tumble it in dry drums for hours to soften it.
This process, called milling, breaks up the stiffness and enhances the natural grain.
Finally, the finishing line. We spray a protective coat of wax and protein. This seals the color and makes the leather resistant to water and scratches.
For luggage that needs a uniform look, we use a heated press to emboss the classic buffalo texture.
Electronic eyes measure the exact square footage of every hide. Leather is sold by the square foot. The leather is ready. Now it travels to the bag factory.
Meet Sarah. She designs luxury travel gear. She chooses buffalo leather for its durability and rugged elegance.
In the workshop, the first step is cutting. We use lasers to project patterns onto the hide, avoiding any natural defects. An automated knife cuts the complex shapes with millimeter precision.
The edges of the leather are skived, shaved thin, to make folding easier. If the edges were full thickness, the seams would be too bulky. Reinforcement panels are added. Buffalo leather is soft, so it needs structure for luggage.
Skilled artisans stitch the panels together using heavy-duty nylon thread.
Sewing leather is unforgiving. One wrong hole, and the piece is ruined.
Solid brass hardware is attached. It must be strong enough to handle the weight of the bag. The handles bear the most stress, so they are double-stitched and riveted.
The raw edges are hand-painted and sealed for a polished look.
Finally, a durable canvas lining is stitched inside.
Before it leaves the factory, it undergoes a rigorous quality inspection.
Zippers are tested, seams are pulled, and surfaces are checked for scratches.
The bag is stuffed to maintain its shape and placed in a protective dust cover.
Back in the showroom, Marco admires the final product.
You can still see the natural grain of the buffalo. No two bags are exactly alike. And unlike synthetic materials, this leather will develop a patina and look better with age. Compared to cowhide, buffalo leather is softer yet more resistant to tearing. And because the hides are a byproduct of the food industry, it is a way to use the whole animal.
From the salty rawhide warehouse, through the chemical magic of the tanning drums,
and to the precision of the splitting and shaving machines.
and finally, the skilled hands of the craftspeople.
It takes weeks of work to create a single bag. It is a perfect blend of ancient tradition and modern technology. What is your favorite leather item? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe for more deep dives into the world of manufacturing. Check out our tour of a high-end shoe factory here.